I'm traveling a lot for work, and one thing I have always with me is my laptop. How can the IT department make sure I have a good experience with my laptop? Here comes the Digital Employee Experience, or short DEX, into play. DEX enables the IT department to recognize issues with my laptop, such as application crashes, application hangs, boot time issues, network issues, to recognize those kind of issues before I even reach out to them and create a ticket so they can help me. That brings the IT department into a more proactive approach instead of being reactive, because they know the issues before I even reach out to them. And less tickets in the IT service queue makes every IT admin a happy IT admin. Reach out to us and find out how DEX can help you improve the user experience for your users.